Hey traders, David Frost, LazyGapTrader.com. In this video, we're talking about day trading, but more specifically, we're talking about gap trading. Gap trading is by far the single most profitable and consistent day trading strategy you can find across the markets today. What I do is teach a course, and within the course, I teach two specific gap trading strategies. One is known as the morning gap trades, and the second strategy are gap fill trades. Morning gap trades are when stocks are gapping higher or lower at the open by a minimum amount. It creates an opportunity for traders who can identify a specific price area where that stock should have a price reaction in the other direction. Stocks will be drawn to specific prices and have a price reaction in the other direction. In my course, I teach precisely how to calculate those price levels. The second strategy are gap fill trades, where stocks leave an open gap from a prior trading day's activity. Those stocks will come back to fill those gaps at some point in time. I teach traders how to track them, and I teach traders how to trade them. What's more is I give traders an opportunity to get my gap trades at 9 o'clock a.m. Eastern Standard Time, 30 minutes before the market even opens for trading. Let's go ahead and take a look at the list that went out this morning to my traders. Here's a copy of the email that went out, and as you can see, there were three possible morning gap trades on the board today. We had Nvidia, Kate Spade & Company, and Deutsche Bank. Two out of the three have not hit their levels. Kate Spade, KATE is the ticker, and DB Deutsche Bank did not hit their levels, so they become no trades. They're off the table. We're only interested in taking trades that come into the specific price level that I teach traders how to calculate in the course. Nvidia, however, did come into its level. You can see I say gap lower. Support levels are 102.59 and 100.84. Stop and profit target is about 45 to 90 cents. That's a minimum profit target. Before we go over to the chart and look in depth at Nvidia, I want to show you that I also give a laundry list of potential gap fill trades where these stocks will come back to fill their gaps. I track them for traders, and then in the course, I teach them how to trade them. Let's take a look at Nvidia in more detail. Now, I've taken Nvidia down to a 1-minute chart so you can see minute by minute precisely what happened. The stock was gapping lower at the open from yesterday's close, where it closed the day at 108.38. Opening today's session at 103.11, trading slightly lower right into the specified price level of 102.59, given out 30 minutes before the market even opened for trading. And as you can see, just 2 minutes later, the stock was already trading at a high of 103.83, representing over a $1.20 gain in just 2 minutes. The stock pulled back to retest the 102.59, never hitting it again before it traded higher, making another high of 104.42. In my course, I teach traders how to turn trades like this into a risk-free opportunity so that they can get the most out of the trade possible. Some traders got almost all that gain this morning with a trailing stop. Then, as you can see, the stock came back in and traded lower, and even almost came in to the second price target identified at 9 o'clock a.m. before the market even opened. It didn't hit the second level yet and bounced higher, but this goes to show you the power of these price levels that I teach traders how to calculate in my course. This works over and over and over again, providing a repeatable and consistent strategy that traders can use each and every day for the rest of their trading careers. If you want to learn how to do this, come over to LazyGapTrader.com. I can teach you everything you need to know how to trade the gaps successfully. I'm David Frost, LazyGapTrader.com. Come check out the course, traders.